interesting topic and very interesting part of construction, which is again getting a lot of traction and a lot of people are talking about it. But again, uh, graduates in Indian industry, whether it could be from mechanical or electrical or even for that matter civil, do not emphasize and do not learn a lot of things about sustainability in construction. So we all know that the energy demand is increasing. So we need to move towards more sustainable way of doing everything. So Paris Agreement and India's responsibility to reduce carbon footprint is huge. So we as the stakeholders of this industry should start thinking how to reduce the carbon footprint from this world. So the major consumer of electricity, if you see, they're not industries. Means we tend to think that industries might be consuming the lot of electricity and they might be the reason for a lot of carbon emission. But it is the other way around. But they are the buildings. If you see the data shown here, this shows that major electricity consumption and all is happening by the buildings, and buildings are today very inefficient also. So entire industry is talking about sustainability, green buildings and other ways to efficiently use the energy. So when we say green buildings, green building is basically a building which is very efficient in terms of water, very efficient in terms of energy, and it is also a very comfortable place to be in. So, but building sustainability based professionals are not available. Means people with good skills in designing systems with very low energy consumption, very less water consumption, and all are not available. But if you see, there is an emerging trend going on, something called as green building certification. Basically, green building certification means means buildings will be certified as um, gold, platinum, or 1 star, 5 star, based on the kind of rating you take, based on their energy consumption, water consumption, and all these things. Means your any building which is being designed can be rated whether it is good or bad based on the sustainability features. So all the people who are in construction industry want to get their building certified, so they can show that their building is very efficient and all. But to do all these things, people who can do certification is required, people who can design is required, people who can supply the materials which are very sustainable, green, and which actually contribute to less carbon emission are required. So so if you check the curriculum of today's mechanical and electrical engineers, we do not have anything specific where students can learn on how to optimize energy demand in buildings. So that's what I was telling. So more and more people should start thinking about this and start getting the right skill sets for this industry.